Welcome to Harisystems. In this session, you will learn first project. To creating a first project using Django framework in Python language. Using PyCharm. In our previous video, you will see how to install Django framework in using PyCharm IDE and Python language. In this session, you will see here how to create a project by using PyCharm IDE using that Django framework. It's a it's a web application to creating a web project framework. Now you'll see the simple steps. I'll show you how to create a PyCharm IDE over here. Let's see now. Simply Django. This is a PyCharm IDE and a terminal. Here I am typing Django admin space start project. Name of the project, your name of the project here, welcome, or my first project, or my app, or I call it as it's a web application, I call it as web app. Click enter. Now it's see here dir, it's a directory I am showing here. See, this is the directory showing here. It's a web app. Now let's see the cd web app. The list of the files we are here, manage.py web app. These are the files are showing here. Let's see by using GUI window, open. The path of the file where it is shown users admin PyCharm projects Python programs, users admin PyCharm projects under Python programs. See here there is a folder called web app. Click open. It's asking that current window. It's okay. Now see here, I'll expanding that folder of the project. The default, the Python language, the command itself, it will create the skeleton of the project. Here you will observe that in expansion of this web app, init.py, settings, urls, wsgi file .py extension, that is called it's a Python language file name extension, and manage.py. Let's see, this is the skeleton of the web application of Python skeleton, and you can call it as a hierarchy. See, let's see now. Let's see one by one. This is the manage.py. It's a very important file. We will call it as it's a entry of the application where we cannot do modification and such a things right now. We'll see further modification in advanced courses in the next videos. And coming to here, it's a initialization of py. It's an empty init and settings. The web app, it's a call like it as an if it is in a .NET application, there is a web.config file is there. If it is in a PHP file, there is a config file is there. Like similarly here it is a settings.py where we have to manage that internal code, internal files and all the things. See, installation, installed apps over there, middleware there, the paths and the routing of the files and all, it will be defines the database connections and paths and the connection strings and all the things. You will check. We'll have in a sessions of each and every file, that sessions you will see, and for more knowledge. This is the welcome project only. I will demonstrate you the URLs, the URL redirections, the URL paths, and routing of the URLs. All will have to configure in this configuration file. So WSGI configuration, web app projects, and web app, the links where we will specify over here, and all the things. And we'll see now. This is the basic skeleton of our using Django framework web application. Now let's see. Go to the terminal over here. Let's dir. There is a file manage.py is there. I'm starting that application, a server to run that project. Python manage.py. Now let's see. Manage.py run server. Run server. Click enter. It's asking that you have forgotten. Now you will see that Python manage.py space run server. Press enter. Now you will see that here that terminal is showing that performing system checks, and you have 15 unapplied migrations. Work properly until the migrations of the app admin. Run Python manage migrate to apply them. See here Django framework, it's showing 2.1.3 web app settings. Starting development server at, this is the local host IP. Many of the people you may know that. Simply you just copy it, or you can type in your web browser over here 127.0.0.1:8000 is the default port of Python. See, it's congratulations. Django the web framework, the installed worked successfully. Congratulations. You are seeing this page because debug is true. See, now we can able to see that Django server is started successfully with this application. We can able to write such applications using a web framework of this Django on PyCharm IDE, which is in a community edition we have used here. These are totally, it's open sourced and free licensed. You can use it and test it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Please share, like and comment of any of your views and comments. Thank you.